is a snowy day, and you know, it's time we test out how well this car handles in the snow. We're gonna be doing some pulls, doing some side drifts. Oh, I can already feel this puppy. Oh yeah, it's great. I'm already losing traction. I can feel it slipping. Trying to follow the path as much as possible. Snowy, icy, and raining at the same time, and I can feel it. There's no grip whatsoever at the moment. I'm slipping on thin ice at the moment. We're gonna cruise around town, have some fun, try not to die. We're gonna see what this can do. I'm trying to make it so it's like angled properly. Trying to get like the right angle. Also gonna try not to die, but we'll see how that goes. It's riding pretty well so far. Nothing crazy. Aside from the part that I can't see my rear, so far it's pretty good. We're back on course. I managed to spin out. When we get to the gym, we'll see if there's any damage or not. should probably ease on it just so I don't spin out. But I just spun out. That's crazy. I wasn't even trying to. I just spun out. This is Minnesota weather, bro. It's crazy. And unfortunately, my my traction control has been disabled because, well, it's been disabled because my check engine light is on. So like I'm kind of screwed. As you can see, I have a check engine light as well as a traction control light. So it did trigger a sensor issues, but no damage. No damage. Just a couple snow in there, but overall no damage. A couple dirt. Overall, yeah, just no damage. I'm gonna make it to Walmart to get like a OB2 for it, just so I could clear the code for it. But aside from a couple of dirt in the tires, I don't think any much happened, so should be safe to drive. But yeah, I wasn't expecting it to snow or rain or anything, so this is kind of like unexpected. So I'm gonna head to Walmart, get an OB2 2-port so I can like clear the code so I can get home safely. That's all. Alright, on my way to Walmart, just got out of the gym. I'm gonna go pick up a OB2 2-port reader so I can clear these codes, just so I can at least get home safely. But at the moment, it's just not like worth driving it because like I'm literally spinning out over every single thing. Like it's not great. Walmart closes in like 30 minutes, so I should be able to make it in time. I would be fine if like, yeah, I am losing traction. Like my vehicle stability control is not like, it's disabled. The check engine light has disabled. Like I'm literally spinning out of control. The check engine light has disabled my my traction control light because of my catalytic converter. So I'm literally on my way there. I gotta get this cleared up really quickly. I'm trying not to hit the brakes, I'm trying to just use momentum, but yeah, I'm literally just there's no traction. Like I can barely turn properly, so whatever I do, I gotta hurry up. Make it in there in time. I'm just gonna park over here. I really don't care. Park over here. Run into Walmart real quick. Usually they close the doors, so we gotta like hurry up. I'm gonna head in there real quick. I got what I need. I just gotta like pay, head out, and get this shit coded. Got what I needed. Just gotta head back, plug it in, clear the code, and try to make it home. Overall, the process is fairly simple. It shouldn't be too difficult. The fuck? I'm like, why is it not opening? This is unexpected, but hey, calls for a good day in a live video, I guess. Or not a day in a live video, just a video in general. I know I have the app somewhere. Don't tell me I uninstalled it. Looks like I uninstalled the app, so I gotta reinstall that. Not sure how the lighting is. Get that shit up. Oh, God. We will have some fun tomorrow though in the snow. Probably gonna go drifting in a well-tamed manner, in a proper setup, not where I could die any second, you know, or damage my car. Gotta take this out. So time for this bullshit. Let's get this in there. This was definitely not expected. Just gotta make sure and pray it works. I just literally got out of the gym. I was driving home. I was just spinning out of control. See, I'm getting code for P0420 catalytic converter. I'm gonna go ahead and erase all these codes. Alright, looks like that's been done. Go ahead and start it. Alright. Looks like it's all gone for now. I'm gonna drive around, see if there's any issues. But I'm gonna keep that until my spacers come back, until my spacers get shipped here. And it's starting to freeze up in here. And they'll have the heater on high. I think the car is still cold. But it's not a long drive home. Stability seems fine for now. We'll tell when we're like driving normally if it's really. Yeah, definitely seems, yep. Definitely not spinning out anymore. I can ease on the traction, I can ease on the brake whenever I want. And I can slide it whenever I want. So I definitely need that for the time being. All the spacers get shipped here. God, there's so much shit in one day. But luckily I didn't crash. Still alive. Which is great. It was great. Hopefully the angle is proper and everything recorded. But yeah, I'm gonna replay the footage, see what happened when I got before I spun out. I know I was like playing with it a bit, but normally I wouldn't like lose traction that bad, but because of my catalytic converter going out, it triggers the check engine light, and the check engine light triggers the traction control light in a Toyota, which is just stupid because, like, you know, I live in Minnesota. Why would I want that? It is what it is, I guess. Yeah, I'm not losing traction. Everything seems fine. I might end up keeping that code reader just in case for like future projects or anything. It is still very slippery though, so it's not 100% perfect. But I can't wait to go have some fun in an abandoned parking lot. Tomorrow should be fine. I wonder if I could get some in today, but I'm not sure. Not sure if I'll be able to find a good place. Which is funny because just like 3 days ago it was like 60 degrees, 50 degrees. Now it was raining and then it started snowing and then it got worse, sir. Because I recorded a video earlier today and it wasn't as bad as it is right now. It was still manageable. But now it's just winter. We went from summer to spring to winter in like 3 days. Minnesota is such a weird place. Should probably put on snow mode as well. Just to make sure I ease on the throttle. But aside from that, everything's great. No issues at all. Yeah, that snow mode definitely helps. Cuts back on like the power input, like how much you're stepping on the gas. Helps a lot. Could save your life. It is a very deadly weather, especially for I felt bad for any like rear-wheel drive cars. I know there's a couple of scat packs in town over here, and I just know that their car is in hibernation right now. They can't do nothing. They can't drive. And if they are driving, they're driving with prayers and hopes. There's no way there should be like rear-wheel drive cars in Minnesota. It's either you can switch it, like the BMWs, where you can like switch between 4-wheel and 2-wheel, but yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. But aside from that, I'm about to head home, so I'm gonna end the video over here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah.